Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to this unboxing of a Smart Reloader SR300 bench rest. This is described as a deluxe set and a limited exclusive. It's available from Optics Warehouse and arrived today. And I'm sorry, I'd prefer to unbox it outside, but it's very windy. But just so we're able to see, there's the information, any information you might require. Okay, no tools. It's I've not attempted to open it in any way whatsoever, so what you see is what we get. So just on with the Stanley knife, see if we can get into it. In we go, and as always with Optics Warehouse, it's really well packed, really well protected, and everything's here. Okay, so let's get rid of some of the packing. Just drop it out the way for now, over in that tub over there. Okay, so what we have got a rear universal support bag, a front rest varmint bag, unfilled, both unfilled, and in here we have the SR300 light rest. Now, if like me you're in some sort of club and you've got any in-house competitions and you like to do a little bit of bench rest shooting, I'm always messing around trying to find something that will give me a bit better edge than I've had in the past. So I'm denied about buying this because I doubt whether it will make me much of a better shooter, but you never know. And here it is, quite weighty. There you go, nice heavy base, an adjustable front support, and a locking bar which will go into there. Now, I didn't notice whether there was there is a slot for that to find its way into, so just screw that in a little way, drop that in, and effectively, as far as the reloader itself goes, the SR300, that's pretty much it, isn't it? Nice and heavy, 3 good adjustable feet, nice sharply pointed. I did try to find some stuff on this on YouTube, but there's not very much out there, and most of the rest that I prefer to have are a heck of a lot more expensive. Okay, so that's the reloader. Let's have a look at the rear bag. Obviously it's unfilled, we won't be able to see an awful lot. Again, yeah, gosh, that's quite a size. Should think that'll be pretty good once it's filled. Yep, good quality, nice and easy to fill. There's the filling tube there, so that will go at the rear of the gun. That's really nice, I like that. That's pretty good. You pay almost this sort of money for the rear bag alone with some manufacturers. And what have we got for the front bag? There you go, a bit smaller. Again, good quality, unfilled, nice system for filling it, and that will sit nicely on top of there. So effectively, that's it unboxed. Quite a lot there for the price. As we said, it's pretty cheap for a setup like this, and there's quite a lot included. Maybe when I get the 2 bags filled, I'll do another video just showing what sort of grouping we can get on a less windy day than today. Hope that's been of use to you. As I said, I couldn't find much information on it myself when I was considering buying it. So if there's somebody else out there who's considering buying one of these, Hope that helps. Thanks for now.